Welcome to Impact AI Studio. Research Mode. Research Mode lets you research the current contact using natural language. Down here, you can type in anything you want, but in real day-to-day use, you'll probably find yourself asking the same few questions over and over again. That's exactly why we added prompt mode. If I click the light bulb button, I can quickly choose from preset research prompts. For example, if I click Brief Summary, Impact AI Studio fills in the full question for me. If I click Key Risks, it does the same thing. These prompts are designed to save time, keep your questions consistent, and make research mode easier to use. Now let's look at how to edit those prompts. I'll click Edit Prompts, which brings me into the Impact AI Studio settings screen. Under the Prompts area, you'll see prompts for the different Impact AI Studio modes. At the top are the Research Mode prompts. Let's create a new one. I'll call this one Website Review. For the prompt, I'll type, "Please use the contact's website to review the company and return a brief summary." This is the actual instruction that will be sent to AI. Now I'll save the prompt and click OK. When I go back to the light bulb menu, you can see the new Website Review prompt is now available. If I click it, Impact AI Studio fills in that prompt for me. Now, this is the demo database, so some records may not have complete information. For example, if the contact does not have a website, AI may respond that the website is missing or not accessible. AI can only analyze the data that exists in the record and the data you've allowed Impact AI Studio to share. Now let's look at another feature, the default research question. Every time you navigate to a new contact, Impact AI Studio can automatically run a default prompt. You can see it here in the upper right. Give me a short overview and 3 actions to perform. That default question is also managed in the prompts area. So if I go back into About then Prompts, I can edit the default research mode question. This means every time I move from one contact to another, Impact AI Studio can automatically research the new contact using that default prompt. Let's try it. I'll look up another contact. When the contact changes, the research mode screen clears first. That way, you know you're looking at fresh information for the current contact, not results from the previous record. Then Impact AI Studio runs the default prompt again and gives me a new summary and suggested actions for this contact. Now, one important note. If I navigate to my own user record or another user record, Impact AI Studio will show no research. This is a user record. That's intentional. When the contact is marked as an internal user or employee, Impact AI Studio does not automatically perform research by default. So research mode gives you 2 ways to work. You can type your own natural language question anytime, or you can use saved prompts to quickly run the questions you ask most often. And because the prompts are editable, you can customize them for your own business. You might create prompts for sales follow-up, customer risk, company website review, opportunity analysis, renewal review, or anything else you want AI to help with. Just remember, this is the demo database, so the results here are limited. Your results will depend on the quality of your data and which fields you choose to share with the AI engine. Be sure to watch the related video on research mode data settings, because controlling what information is shared with AI is an important part of using Impact AI Studio. Thanks for watching.